Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about a way to easily edit your right-click context menu with a free app called Easy Context Menu. So this thing does a lot of stuff, so I'm just going to kind of go over the basics, and you could try it for yourself because it's free, but it's a pretty powerful little tool here. So once you download and extract the zip file, you'll have your main files here, and then you can run the EC menu 64 for 64-bit Windows. And now you see here, once you open it up, you have a lot of stuff that you could play with here. Broken down into specific categories, tools, system tools, turn off options, my computer options, drives context, folder context, file context, exe context. And so how you do it is you pick the ones you want and then you just apply it. So let's say we want a couple here like open with notepad and copy context, copy text context. And then you have permanently delete and run with parameters. We'll leave that one checked. And then once you pick the ones you like, you just apply changes from the file menu. You'll hear a little beep. So now, let's say we go to this log file here. We want to open it with Notepad. You could right click on it. Windows 11, obviously you have to go to show more options. But we do have a video on how to get rid of this and get the Windows 10 style classic context menu back. And then these guys who make this program also have a little tool you could use to get this back using a GUI. Okay, so anyways, so now, see, these are the ones we added here. Open with Notepad, copy text context, permanently delete. So let's say we open with Notepad, and so here's the contents of that file, that log file. And now another thing we could do, we could right-click on it and do copy text contents, I should say. And if we go into Notepad, it copied the contents of that text file right from right-clicking on it, and then you could paste it into another file. And then, of course, we have the right-click, show more options, permanently delete. And now it's gone without going to the recycle bin. So, the other one I wanted to show you, too, this one was kind of cool, run with parameters. So if we do this, show more options, run with parameters, and then you can enter your own parameters on an executable and even pick the run as administrator and so on. So like I said, it's just lots of cool stuff you could do with it. You just check the ones you want, and then they'll be in your menu. And then if you don't want something, you could just uninstall all, or just uncheck the ones you don't want and then apply changes again. And they also have a editor here, so if you want to click on something, you could see the icon file it uses if you want to change it, the parameters, the program it's running, the name, and you could change that, move it up and down in the list, and so on. And then you could even add a new one if you want, by finding your file and doing that kind of thing. Then you have the context menu cleaner, which a lot of programs will put items in your right-click context menu. Then you could actually delete them from here as well. And if you want to actually see where they're located, you could click on Jump Registry key, and that'll open the registry editor to that section where that command is in the configuration. Then you could delete, disable, delete, and so on. And that's about it. You have it always on top. You have the sound, desktop shortcut. You could remove shortcut arrows, disable the shortcut prefix. So lots of cool stuff you could do with it. So like I said, I just want to give you the basics, and you could go try it out for yourself. So I'll put a link in the description where you could download it, and then you could start editing your right-click menu. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.